So we just got back from a vacation in Hawaii, and besides shark diving and climbing a volcano and sitting on the beach, of course the best thing of the trip was the food. Tried a lot of local favorites, and now I'm gonna make some for you. So tonight we're making Loco Moco, a breakfast favorite. Let's throw it down. Start by cooking some rice. Form some hamburger patties. Make a gravy mixture. Cook some onions and mushrooms for the gravy. Cook the hamburger patties. Pour in the gravy mixture. Fry an egg. Assemble the Loco Moco. There it is, Loco Moco. Mmm.